Sending money on Shopify can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to send money. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, go to the Settings option at the bottom left of the dashboard. From there, select Payments to access the payment options available for your store. Step 3. Choose your payment method. In the Payments section, review the available payment gateways. Select the one you wish to use for sending money, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments, and ensure it is set up correctly. Step 4. Enter payment details. After selecting your payment method, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their email address or account information and the amount you wish to send. Double-check this information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the details you have entered, including the amount and recipient information. Once everything is correct, click on the Send or Confirm button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation of the payment shortly after. Following these steps will help you send money on Shopify with ease. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance.